How to enable Discord age verification. It's very simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. First thing first, you need to head over to your application Discord. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged into your account, head over to You at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're inside the settings, simply move into Content and Social. Tons of different options will be visible to you, and you should also see the option of Enable Age Verification. But if the option is not visible to you, then it might be because your account has already been verified. You don't need to verify it again. Also, if your account has been verified, you can set the settings to Do Not Filter as well. And if you move into Sensitive Content Filters, then you will not see any of the restriction in order for you to change the options. That way, you can see that your account has been verified. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.